What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Guys, today we're going to talk about the hard protocol. So the hard protocol is integrated with Kava. You guys really can't see the interest rates on these, but this is just going to be a super quick video. But basically what hard protocol is just a protocol that offers the first cross-chain money market. Not too big. Yeah, actually it's massive, guys. This is huge. Because like, they have BNB, they have Bitcoin. Guys, Bitcoin is coming on here. They got XRP. They got Binance. Guys, these are crazy rewards. I mean, look at this. Well, you actually can't even see it because the wallet's not connected. But the BUSD, when you have Kava in your wallet, it's literally like 100%. It's nuts. But that's crazy. And on the hard protocol, you're basically integrated with Kava. You can actually get a loan on your Kava. You can come over here, deposit USDX, and earn money on your USDX. And then on top of that, on the USDX, when you're supplying that, you're going to earn hard tokens. And eventually you'll be able to come in here and stake your hard tokens and earn interest on that as well. But it's crazy what you guys can do in the DeFi ecosystems. But guys, keep hard on your radar. Play around with it a bit. There's crazy things you guys can do in there. And with the different DeFi protocols, so there's so many different strategies, and I'll make another video on a pretty neat strategy so you can basically earn interest on your interest that earns you more interest. It's so cool. It's amazing. I love DeFi. But we'll go ahead and explain it, see what you guys can do, and I'm going to go on the CoinGecko chart just so you guys can see it. But here's some details on the hard protocol token. In my opinion, I mean, unless you're going to come over and stake it right here, to earn some hard tokens, you'll earn like 60-70% on it. Hard is really just the governance token. What I'd recommend doing is, again, not financial advice, is if you're interested in this, is probably get some Kava, get a loan on your Kava, use the tokens that you'll receive, which is the USDX, and stake that and then earn interest in the hard tokens. That way you guys will get this governance token. But basically, hard is going to be your governance token. So you guys can see, here's the breakdown: 40% for incentives, 25% for treasury, 20% for Kava stakers. So super important right there. And hard is the governance protocol, which allows holders to vote and suggest changes. And why is that important? Well, basically with the banking system, people buy shares of a stock. So A, they can earn the rewards from it, and B, they can have the opportunity to be able to make decisions on the bank or what they're doing, especially major shareholders. They decide what happens. A good example of this is like just in cryptocurrency, 51% of tax. But if you own 51% of a company, you get to make the decisions. That's how it rolls. But anyways, guys, that's hard protocol in a nutshell. I'm not really going to go much into it. Stay tuned for the video on the different DeFi strategies. It's, again, hard protocol is just like a governance token, but Kava is on the up and up, man. Do not miss out on this one. It reminds me of the Terra Luna ecosystem, and guys, they're doing some crazy stuff. And guys, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new video. And if you guys want to support the channel in any way, go ahead and click on any of the affiliate links below. I will get some a referral bonus for it, and yes, you will as well. So it's a win-win. Hey, and if you don't want to do that, that's fine. I also have a link to the Patreon if you just want to make a simple donation. If not, who cares? At least smash up the like and subscribe to the channel. That's the least you can do for me. I appreciate it. If not, it's okay. Thanks for viewing. I appreciate it. And stay tuned because we'll make more videos, and you'll be learning more about cryptocurrency and staying ahead of the game. If you guys aren't on Drake on Digital, you're getting left behind. Also a link in the Telegram chat so you guys can join. Proverbs chapter 27 verses 14 actually. If anyone loudly blesses their neighbor early in the morning, it will be taken as a curse. Huh. That's kind of ironic. Because I know some people, like, I just know they don't like me, and they just say all these great things, and it's like, something's up. That doesn't seem right. So maybe that's where it's going at it, but I don't know. I didn't write the Bible. It's not my thoughts. I'm just reading you what it is and maybe what I think about it. If you guys have any different thoughts about it, leave it in the description below. Maybe you guys can bring some wisdom to us. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Guys, I need you guys to do a couple things. Participate in the quadruple threat. First, set up a Celsius account. Here's a referral link. You guys can use it. Write it down. Type it down. Or you guys can use the link in the description below. Set up a Celsius account. Good for savings. Good for earnings. Don't bet the house on it though. But anyways, you guys can get a free bonus on this. Alright, how do I get this free bonus? Well guys, enter in this link. You guys will get $30. Then deposit $200 in any cryptocurrency. Enter in new 40, like NEW 40 promo code. You guys can use both. And you'll get a total of $70. Guys, that's step one of the triple threat. Alright, Drake, I did step one. What's step two? Alright, guys, this is where you can get your small altcoin gems and little game changers. You guys can go to crypto.com. You can set up an account. Here's a link in the description below, or you guys can just type in this code right here on the screen. Deposit some funds in there. You get $25 in bonus crypto. You guys can use that to buy your altcoin gems and have some fun. Step two of the quadruple threat. And the third one, this one is a fun one. Voyager. This one is more so where you can buy with limit orders. It doesn't have as many altcoins as crypto.com, but it's really easy to use, easy to set up. And yes, this one does come with a referral link as well, and you'll get $25 in BTC. This is how you can do a limit order. Super easy to use, and they don't charge any trading fees whatsoever. Here's the referral link. You can't copy and paste it, but you can look in the description to copy and paste, and you can put that in and set one up. 25 bucks. Step 4, open up a BLOCKFI account. Here's a link you guys can use. The reference code is 024FFE02. All the links are in the description below. Open up a BLOCKFI, just deposit some funds, and you'll get $30 in BTC. And you can also get that crypto cashback rewards card. Don't forget about that. Game changer, 1.5%. And the first few months, you get a bunch of extra percent. Check it out. This is the funnest one though. Lolly, free. There is a referral link to this one too. I've actually won 100,000 sats one time on one of the taps, which is worth like $100 in Bitcoin. So it's crazy. Look, and there's even proof in the wallet. Look at that, daily stack, 101. Guys, set one up. It's really easy to do. Download a Lolly account and just set it up. And of course, guys, if you guys are a pro, there's a link in the description so you guys can sign up with KuCoin and Binance US to get some trading fee discounts. Thanks.